right, so just the other day I had somebody argue with me over Eagle rods being the best out there, and they've never had any issues with them. So I've had finishing machine work issues on Eagles for a while, and I'm not trying to throw anybody under the bus, but somebody argued with me and acted like I didn't know what I was talking about. So we've got a set of Eagle rods for this F20C here. I put it together, it was locked up, and I was like mad because I said the crank was probably bent, because I've got like several bent cranks already. So we've got one of our Eagle rod. It won't rotate, it won't fit in the hole. Okay, so in my head I'm like, well, this is probably the wrong crank of some sort. Well, we tried a K20 rod in it, and it's way different. So then I had a set of Brian Crower F20C rods, so I grabbed a cap off of it.
No, don't put that.
Look at that. Look at that. Who'd have thought? Eagle rods, machining errors.